Hello, my name is Jim Rogers. I'm the Vice President of Statewide Laundry Equipment. I run the Tampa and Orlando as well as the Jacksonville markets for our company. Our mission on helping our customers is to be their distributor in every sense of the word. So we have these distributor shows twice a year, sometimes more, primarily with the hope that they leave here with new ideas, new experiences, new ways of running their business, new ways of looking at their business, new ways of marketing and promoting their business. We hope that our customers leave here smarter than they were when they got here.
I love attending the statewide shows because every time I come I learn something new, every time I come.
You always hear different things, and I like to see what new equipment is out there and the different vendors that come here and what they have to offer for the new year.
The show deals are interesting because they allow me to work my buying habits around when the shows are being held, because they run specials on things as little as soap that we use for vending and as big as the biggest machines that are sold. And they also run the same thing on financing.
Alliance Finance has been able to gain the market share that it has today by providing a quick and easy application process while providing them a great finance package. Whether it's new store or replacement equipment, we're able to deal in the laundry industry because it's all we do.
The best thing that working with Statewide is that they started me in the business and they stick with you 14 years later. And they are the people I go to when I have any questions or any problems, and they're still with me today.
What do I take away? Well, let's see. Statewide bucks, TVs, statewide clocks, soap, equipment, camaraderie, lunch, booze.
I really enjoy the cocktail hour that Statewide put on, and thanks to ESD for that. It's really nice to be able to network with everybody after the presentations during the day.
It's just a terrific opportunity for us as laundry owners to have one place to come.